Hello everyone. So if you want to fix the problem Adobe Premiere Pro error code 39, I have got the simplest method to solve this problem. You might not wonder how easy is this to be solved, and I saw many of the videos that shows very critical steps. You don't have to worry about that. So first of all, we'll look at our first step. You have to open the file explorer and navigate to this PC, and you have to right click on the drive you want to check and select properties for the context menu. After that, in the properties window, you have to view the storage breakdown under the general tab, and then you have to check both used space and free space allocation. I have also got the screenshot here. The pie chart visually represents your storage issues. So that's the screenshot here. You might I lost my words. And then you have to visit NVIDIA's official drivers page and search for its specific graphics and card model. Check if a newer driver version is available than what you currently have installed in your PC, and then if an update exists, you have to download and install the latest driver. Follow the installation widget prompts as you did earlier, and you have to restart your computer to complete the driver installation process. After rebooting, open your Adobe Pro project and attempt to export again. This error must be resolved. So that was the finest method to solve this error, and I have also tried this. That's why I'm so confident. So let's not make this video any longer. Tada.